Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on Messenger. We go to settings here, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Messenger. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here in this page of storage we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem.